Hey coder, in this video we will show how does the body tag influence the content of a web page. So let's explain. The body tag encapsulates the entire content that is visible to user on a web page. Everything between the opening body and closing body tags are rendered on the screen by the browser. This includes elements like text, images, videos, links, and forms. The structure and organization within the body tag determine the layout and presentation of the web page, making it a central component of any HTML document. So this is question just for you. Let's comment below this question answer. So let's explain the question. What kinds of elements would you include in the body of a web page to create a complete and engaging user experience? Comment below your answer. Thank you for watching this video.